anode rod is what we call a sacrificial rod. It actually goes right down the middle of your tank, and it attracts all of the calciums, all of the debris in your hot water. So it actually protects your tanks, because the calcium and all the other items in that water will actually attach to the sides of your tank. They'll settle at the bottom of your tank, and they start to corrode the metal tank in there, which causes leaks and premature failure of your water heater. So that anode rod that goes down the middle of your tank actually attracts all that stuff, protecting your water tank, your hot water tank, from premature failure. When we do a maintenance on it, we actually check that. We pull that anode rod out, and if we see that that's been deteriorated, then we want to replace that. So it's an easy replacement. It'll extend the life of your water heater, protecting your water system for much longer period of time with fresh anode rods. These anode rods last probably about 2 years or so, give or take. Depends on how hard your water is and how much stuff is in your water. But about every 2 years, you want to go through and you want to change your anode rod. So in colder climates, we don't have that as much here in the lower Coachella Valley.